Good morning. My name is Chukwuka Paul Victor. I'm a student of University of Nigeria Nsukka under the Faculty of Social Science, Department Political Science. My main reason for studying political science, there's a popular saying, we are the leaders of tomorrow. And as the leaders, we must aspire to maintain the political authorities in the nation. My dream is to eradicate the corruption in my state, Ebonyi State. That is one of my main vision and goal for coming here. The next one is, in Nigeria, they've seen politics as a dirty game, a game for the old ones. We, the young ones, as the youth, want to bring back the power back to the originality and also bring God into our Nigeria politics, because where God is the ruler and the head, there things go free. Thank you.